Welcome back to my channel, to all the returning subscribers and to the new ones. Hello fam, hi. And today we are trying the most mysterious crochet stitch on the internet. It has the internet on an uproar, so I'm just gonna jump into the video and waste no time. Listen, this is all you need for this project, and this is the stitch, the talk of the town. It looks absolutely amazing, and we're gonna try this. We are gonna try this stitch. How gorgeous is that? This stitch had me on a chokehold. It had me on a chokehold. I struggled. When I say I struggled with the stitch, I'm not lying, guys. I struggled on and off throughout the week. I kept on doing the wrong stitch, having to undo it, and then just reminding myself this is not a half double crochet. It is a different one. And apparently some people are going off, they don't know the name, this and that, but it's war in the comment sections over there in Pinterest. But lovely war, like it's just a healthy debate. I googled and it said it's a herringbone stitch. So it's my first time trying it, but as I was following the instruction from the video that I saw on Pinterest, it's a herringbone stitch back loop only. So if you do a herringbone stitch like just a normal herringbone stitch, it looks absolutely amazing as well. But this one I did it only in the back loop. So at this point of the journey, I did have to put my project down after a few lines of making the stitch. Not only because I was making too many mistakes, but my hands were giving up on me. They were in pain. So I think I rested for a good 2 or 3 days and continued on a different day. That's why I'm not on my table and the scene is just different, and I just combined a few clips so that I don't make this super long. I'm just binding off and continue with the project. I am making a beanie for someone. Watch till the end to see for who. You'll absolutely laugh when you see who the beanie is for, guys. Please stay till the end and let's debate if it looks good on this person or not, because I want that beanie for myself. So with crochet projects, you have to look how the project looks, and if it doesn't look okay, readjust, and go forth. So this is me really like making the top of the hat and just sewing it on. This is not, I don't really like this part that much, I think, but I can't use a sewing machine over here to sew it off. It's a big taboo also in the crochet industry. Should you sew your projects together with a sewing machine or do it by hand? But that's another story for another day. For now, here is my model. How gorgeous is she? She's modeling me. This is who the beanie was for. She's looking absolutely gorgeous, but I had to steal it from her and try it for myself.
So you're gonna take this hat, fold it, and we're going out. How cute do I look? Guys, I'm looking at a mirror. I'm just looking at a mirror. And there we are.